Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. Someone used Talkback on their phone. This video is for them. Now I am going to show you how to change Talkback developer setting. Keep watching. At first I will go to my phone settings. I tap on gear icon settings. Here I scroll down. Now I tap on accessibility. Here I scroll a bit. Now I tap on Talkback, and we can see option settings in the right corner. I tap on settings. Here I scroll down and we can see developer settings. I tap on developer settings. Now we can change the options. Lock output level. We can see 7 different kinds of lock output level. We can select a output from here. I select info by tapping on cycle. Now I tap on display speech output. Again I tap on enable node tree debugging. Are you sure you want to turn on node tree debugging? And we can see the instruction. Now I tap on OK to enable node tree debugging. Now I tap on enable performance statistics. We can see the instruction. Now I tap on OK to enable performance statistics. Thus we can change developer settings of our phone Talkback. So viewers, hope this video will help you to enable developer options of Talkback settings. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.